Hi everyone, Carlos here. Today we're gonna be working on the trailer and the floor. The reason that we're gonna remove the floor is because I made the decision to substitute the plywood, the regular plywood, for a PVC plastic board, or probably honeycomb or another material that it's on the market that it's better, especially for the humidity on the mud. That is very usual and common. So the other reason, because we wanna change or replace the floor, the plywood, it's because when you see plywood in this corner, you know, this one was remember, this one was a cheap trailer, and as you see, it has a kind of problems at the edge of the wood, and it's gonna be, you know, providing troubles always. So that's another reason, because we want to replace the plywood on the floor. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. That wood in front, it's a little bit stuck on the floor. So what we're gonna use is a jack lift